All right, cool. So this is question 5 from 8F. And in 8F, you're asked to draw, read and understand divided bar graphs, of which there's one on the screen here, but also pie charts, which are sometimes called sector charts or sector graphs. Okay, so Jakob has asked his friends what their favourite school subject is, and he has created a divided bar graph from the information. Okay, so first thing to notice on this question is that it's 10 centimetres long. Okay, so, and luckily it's been divided up into 1 centimetre blocks, so it's very easy to read. They've even written the sections there for you as well. Okay, so Jakob has surveyed 30 friends. State how many of them like maths best, history best, and then either science or English. Okay, so we're looking at the fact that it's 10 centimetres long and there's 30 friends. Okay, so from here you would need to understand that each 1 centimetre section on this divided bar graph is worth 3 friends. Okay, and I know that because it's 10 centimetres long, but it's representing 30. Okay, so if I divide 30 by 10, I get 3, which equals 3 friends in this case. Okay, so the first question is asking who likes maths the best. So I'm going to say that the maths section is 1, 2, 3 centimetres. I'm just going to do it down here. Maths equals 3 centimetres. And because 1 centimetre equals 3 friends, then that equals 9 friends. Okay? So it's like in proportion, I guess, you would suggest. Alright, that's I. The next one, history. Firstly, I just want to say, who likes science the least? What, that's not on. Really should be maths and science as the biggest, but anyway, that's just me. So history is 2 centimetres long. And because 1 centimetre equals 3 friends, 2 centimetre then equals 6 friends. Get a little smaller so I can have some more room. Okay, and now the next one says either science or English. So you would find out English and science and then combine them together for this answer. So English is 1, 2, 3, 4 centimetres and science is 1. So we'll write English / science equals 5 centimetres altogether. And because 1 centimetre equals 3 friends, 5 centimetres equals 15 friends. Okay, now it says redraw these results as a pie chart. Okay, I'm not going to actually draw the pie chart for you, but I'm going to show you the working. Okay, so again we've got our pie chart working here. The first thing we need to do is to find the total, and the total here, you've got 2 choices really. So you're thinking, well, I could represent it with the 10 centimetres, or I could represent it as a portion of the friends, okay, as my fraction. Either would be fine, okay? But let's say we've got English, I'll just do the first letter, E for English, S for science, M for maths, H for history. Okay, so English represents 4 out of my 10 centimetres. Science equals 1 out of my 10 centimetres. Maths equals 1, 2, 3 out of my 10 centimetres, and history is 2. Okay, so now that I've got my fractions, I can represent them as decimals, 0.4, 0.1, 0.3, 0.2. Nice and easy because it's out of 10 as a fraction. Okay, then I would be timesing those by 360. Oops, 60, 360. Okay, just going to grab out my calculator. Okay, so 0.4 times 360 equals 144 degrees. 0.1 times 360 is 36 degrees. 0.3 times 360, 108. and 0.272 degrees. Okay, and then I would draw my pie chart, so I'd have my circle drawn. Obviously yours is going to look heaps better. Okay, I'd start in the middle and draw a line, and then I'd measure my first angle, 144. So it'd be something like that. Okay, and that would be my angle there. And I would label that English. Okay, I do the same for science by using the next line as a progression with my protractor. Maths, history, etc. Okay, and then I would represent that as my divided bar, as my sector graph, and I would label it favorite school subject for 30 friends. Oops. Okay, cool.